Urgent, 1st November 1937. My dear Mr. Jinnah, Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan, with some of the members of the party, saw me yesterday, and we had a long talk about the differences between the League and the Unionist Party. Statements have been issued to the press by both sides, each side putting its own interpretation on the terms of Jinnah-Sikandar agreement. This has caused much misunderstanding. As I wrote to you before, I'll put you in possession of all those statements in a few days' time. For the present, I request you to kindly send me as early as possible a copy of the agreement which was signed by Sir Sikandar and which I am told is in your possession. I further want to ask you whether you agreed to the Provincial Parliamentary Board being controlled by the Unionist Party. Sir Sikandar tells me that you agreed to this, and before he claims that the Unionist Party must have their majority in the board. This, as far as I know, does not appear in the Jinnah-Sikandar agreement. Please reply to this letter as early as possible. Our men are touring in the country and forming leagues in various places. Last night we had a very successful meeting in Lahore. Others will follow. Yours sincerely, Muhammad Iqbal, Bar at Law.